especially body.
Bad America.
Stabs. Pops is also Manry. It's like, oh, I'm sorry about that. I was being fat for a moment. So what do you say again? Sex, please. And there's Kumachiro. And then meanwhile, oh my god, Toitsu, let's go to the circus. We're gonna pause it out that transcends into random gibberish. They've seen Japan. Oh my god, Japan saved me. Can't. Too busy looking at Asian prawns. No, 110. Curry dance, decibase, desu. Just go make out or something. It's like crawling. Almost. It's pasta. Yay! It's a wipe carrying contest. There's Germany, get your fat ass over here and take this trophy before I kill you and your fuck toy. I'm serious. Serious. Now let's go, baby. Oh, she got hungry. So I ate some funny chocolate and now I feel the sudden urge to be fertilized. And some random Shota Cat version of Kumachiro going, I'll eat pasta with you.
Like freaking weirdo bear.
Exactly. And then, oh my god, France, why did that's English with its eyebrows. Oh my god, France, why did we win even with the aid of my fairies? Because I'm just that sexy. And then that's Shota Cat dry humping Italy. He's like, oh my god, no, stop, only Toitsu can touch you like that. Germany comes over and kills the poor thing. And then they start making out and they're like, oh god, fuck me till I can't feel it anymore. And then England and France are like, oh god, they started without us. And then this was originally supposed to be Hungary, but then Letitia got lazy and she said Chelly's instead. And then, meanwhile, there's Canada lying on the bed going, oh my god, that sex was amazing. Which I'm in love with my brother. And then here's America going, Mrs. Berger, never leave me. Sex with you is better than sex with that. Who is it again? And then there's Russia. Say America, you become one with Russia now, yes? Marry me, Nisa. Flarg.
Starving.
I've never done this before, Spread Eagle. Fuck Germany, what about me? Oh, well, sex with me satisfying too. Really, a body is a body. And then they're all like watching through a window. This will work. For now. For now only. And then here's poor Spain crying. He's like, oh, what's wrong, Spain? Oh, I feel so horrible. Romano's angry at me because he knows I've been treating on him with Pedrito, the tomato. Pedrito, we can't be together anymore. No, but if we must, can I have one last kiss? And there's Romano coming through the window going, what? Spain, stop cheating on me with that tomato. Can't you see I'm trying to fuck my little brother? I mean, God. And that's for Spain, and then Germany's gonna be over here going, ha! Pussy whipped. And that's all I got to